In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for Tesco warehouse jobs in 2026. To get started, head over to the Tesco Careers website. This is the official place where Tesco lists its open roles, so it's the best starting point if you want accurate job details and a secure application process. Once you're on the site, look for the warehouse and distribution section. This area is specifically focused on warehouse-related opportunities, so it helps narrow things down right away and saves you time from browsing unrelated roles. After that, click on Search Jobs. This will take you to the job search page, where you can filter available positions based on what you're looking for. In the job search field, type in the kind of role you want. For example, you might search for warehouse operative or distribution jobs, depending on the type of work you're interested in. Try using clear keywords so the results are as relevant as possible. Next, enter your location. This is important because Tesco may have warehouse roles available in different areas, and adding your preferred location helps show jobs that are practical for you to get to. You'll then want to select a radius. This lets you choose how far away from your location you're willing to work. If you want more options, you can choose a wider radius, but if commuting is important to you, keeping it smaller may be more useful. After that, select Our Businesses. This filter helps refine the search even more and makes it easier to focus on the kind of Tesco roles that match your interests. Once your filters are set, click on Search. The website will then show you the available job listings based on the details you entered. Now take some time to look through the results and click on Read More for any job that catches your attention. This is where you can review the role more carefully, including the responsibilities, location, and any other important information. It's a good idea to read this section properly so you can make sure the job fits your needs before applying. When you find a role that suits you, click Apply. This begins the application process for that specific position. If you're new to the Tesco career system, you'll need to register as a new user. On the registration page, you can choose to sign up using a social media account or with an email address, depending on what the site offers and what feels easiest for you. From there, simply follow the next prompts on the screen to complete your registration and continue with your application. Take your time, make sure your details are entered correctly, and review everything before submitting. And that's how to apply for Tesco warehouse jobs in 2026.